Okay, glue, glue.
Glue, glue.
Get a taste of my glue, glue.
Oh, that's swimming.
Oh shit, we missed everything. Boom, 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 boom. Oh!
You dead?
You know what it is? From Kill Bill.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Woohoo! 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 See?
That's glue, glue, Phil.
Glue, 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 glue. Oh fuck! Glue, glue, glue. Ah!
Sorry.
Oh, guys, I died immediately.
Start like as soon as you boom. What the hell?
This is great. It's fucking hilarious. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Bum, 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 bum. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah. Oh. Bum, 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 bum. Woo!
Yeah.
I'm dead. Ah! Oh. Here we go. Woo! Oh. Bum bum bum. I died again? What the shit? Bum bum bum. Awesome. Da, 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 da.
There he is.
Yes.
Wall. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Aha! That was awesome. Ooh, very nice. Da, 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 da.
Did it pretty well, I think.
Yeah, maxed it. There you go, splash. 10 points.
Splash.
That was awesome. That was an awesome stage.
Still saying glue, glue.
You save the world from nightmares, you get 5 extra lucky tickets.
Let's go these origins levels.
Origins? You're unlocking so many.
I have to do them later.
We got a teensy. Very nice. Holy shit, 6 looms, look. An achievement. We could be
nice.
heroes. 100,000 looms. That's
Damn.
the achievement, yeah. 10,000 right there. That's nuts. We could be
I'm
heroes.
gonna unlock some characters. Check that out.
All those creatures. Another Origins, damn. And the final creatures. Alright, we should go check out the creatures right now.
Check out the creatures, check out some the characters too. Let's see if we
Alright.
can unlock some.
Aha! What the hell's that trophy we got? We got a trophy.
I don't know.
Maybe when you get 5, you get a bronze trophy. I'm not sure.
There.
Oh, maybe it's when you get all the ones on a certain level. That's what
Yeah,
it is.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, that was bronze, but it's the low level.
These guys give you stuff too, huh?
Oh!
These are our slaves.
Accept the slap. Alright, and... Heroes. I think we have a new one unlocked.
Heroes. That's it.
New teensy. Where is he? Teensy Hermit.
The teensy hermit.
Yeah, Teensy Hermit. I'll be the Teensy Hermit. Damn, look how high these are. It's crazy.
Is this it? Oh,
Just to think we only have 100,000. We've been playing for how long?
1 million.
We mean 1 million fucking lums. Or looms. How long
Jeez.
that would take, man. That's nuts.
Yikes.
Ugh. Alright, on to the next stage. What is it? It is Olympus Maximus. And we need 400 teensies to even go into the next one.